Filipino, 27, Roman Catholic, and I am married having 2 children. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers, and I am third in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Maria Elena. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
A good domestic helper must be honest, patient, and hardworking.
Since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
I will keep myself busy and focus on my work, sir, madam.
Okay, so since you're already a mother, can you tell me how to take care of the children?
I will assist them going to school, give them a food in the right time, and I will love them as my own child.
What if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
I will apologize them by saying sorry and say that I will not do it again, sir, madam.
So what is your last message or promise to the employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me to help my family, and I promise to finish my contracts.
Thank you, Miss Maria Elena, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.